Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2015 Thor Outlaw 38RE triple slide Class A gas motorhome with the rear drop down patio. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length with the patio door closed up is 39 feet 11 inches. Exterior height to the triple AC units is 13 feet 3 inches. And the coach has just under 25,000 miles on it. Overall condition, I would say good. I'm going to show you a few areas that show a little bit of wear. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. I'll show off the cockpit at the end of the video while I'm showing the inside and show off that power bed. We'll start off with the first slide out. First slide out is going to be super slide. Accommodates the boot dinette and the sleeper sofa. All your fabrics are all the ultra leather finish, and overall condition on the fabrics seem to be in good condition. We'll point out two little areas. They're minor, little bitty little scuff mark right there. Probably take a little vinyl repair kit, probably patch that up. Wouldn't even notice it. And the other area is just right here. And it looks like a little hole, two little holes. So nice vinyl repair kit, probably patch that up and look pretty good. The sofa is, again, a sleeper sofa. And the colors are going to be light cream color and brown. You have the blackout roller blinds and the sun visor blinds. Those are the ones you want. And your boot dinette breaks down into a bed pretty quick and easy. And you want to point out, you do have a 110 outlet there. In the kitchen area here, you do have the solid surface Corning style countertops. Nice pull-out drawer here for more counter space. I did notice a little bit of swelling in the wood up underneath the Corning countertop. It's really a non-issue, it's just cosmetic, but I find it important to point it out. Nice under-mounted double bowl sink, pull-out sprayer faucet, nice backsplash, 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner is usually going to be a high output. Nice 22-inch oven. On the refrigerator, I believe this is the upgrade option. 13 cubic foot refrigerator, stainless steel finish. I did notice a dink here, a little bit tiny dink right here, and then see if I can get it. And there's the other little dent. And the refrigerator is residential by Whirlpool. Nice water dispenser and ice dispenser. And obviously ice maker, and I'm trying to show off all the condition. Okay, down here, it's probably from condensation when the coach was winterized. A little bit of swelling in this wood here and right here. And usually it's because well, the coach wasn't prepped up right and condensation came out of the fridge when it was turned off. Just cosmetic. Okay, the entertainment center area here is going to be, I believe, a 42-inch flat screen. And I think the cabinets are going to be a cherry finish with brushed nickel hardware. I do also want to point out in the first super slide, this is going to be your closet and optional washer and dryer area. So it is washer and dryer prepped. Also want to point out this is a bath and a half floor plan. Should have pointed that out in the beginning, but definitely nice to have a bath and a half. Foot flush porcelain toilet. Raised foot flush porcelain toilet. pointing countertops in the bathroom also. Nice walk-in shower with skylight. Lots of headroom. This might be 8-foot tall ceilings. Skylight. Fantastic vent fans, by the way, all over this coach. And it does have a remote control for them. Okay. Walking back into the master bedroom with lots of ceiling height. Ceiling fan. Usually you put a king bed in here, but the owners took out the mattress. Not sure why, but anyway, you will need to get a mattress. And again, it's king size. This is going to be your second slide out. The bed slides out, and you've got lots of storage up underneath here. And you do have stereo in the back here, Bluetooth ready, smart device ready, all the good stuff. And you do have a USB charging station right here for smart devices. This is going to be your thermostat. One of your thermostats. You have two thermostats in this on this coach, and you do have 3 roof-mounted AC units. Both of them are going to be 13,500 BTU AC units. They're all ducted, and the third AC unit is going to be this 5,000 BTU window style unit right there, and that was all standard, or I'm sorry, part of the package. This is going to be your little switch with a power shade up there. Power shade up there, you get the idea. Pretty neat. And this is going to be your third slide out. Closet and the second TV all slide out, and that TV is probably going to be a 32-inch flat screen. Okay, walking back into the rear half bath. Again, foot flush porcelain toilet. And again, fantastic vent fan. Yeah, the ceilings have to be 8 foot back here. And this is going to be the patio area. It took me about 5 minutes to set all this up and put the ladder out. Spin around here and show off that rear outside entertainment area and kitchen. Nice dorm style fridge right here. Looks like they had decals on it. Yeah, it shows a little bit of sign of decals on the front. Oh, you do have LED light accent. This thing should light up pretty cool at night. And you do have a light up there. The TV out here, wow, that's probably going to be a 55-inch flat screen. And this has got a little door goes down. Show that off there to you. For security, in case you leave your campsite and you want to leave the patio out, just lock that door and you're good to go. Nobody's going to steal your TV. Okay, to speed up this video a little bit, I do want to point out nice pocket door, solid pocket door for privacy from the bedroom into the living area. It's going to be remote control for your fantastic vent fan. This is going to be your second thermostat control. This is going to be your remote control package for the whole coach, so you can do all sorts of good stuff by remote. Slide outs, awning, lights, all the good stuff. Soft touch vinyl ceiling. For video purposes, for time, I'm not going to actually demonstrate the power bed, but this power bed is rated at 500 pounds, 500 pound rating right there. Takes about a minute to come down, and your little switch here is right here, and it does have an off switch, so you can turn it off for security, so nobody's messing with it at night or whatever. But and it definitely sleeps 2 grown adults easily. Your pilot and co-pilot chairs are all assumed to be in excellent condition. And obviously they swivel around. Not sure where the little table is that goes right here, but I think it's probably going to be like a little round table. Not sure where it is, but I have to ask the owners. I do want to point out this is a desk area. This pulls up. Let's go ahead and demonstrate it. There you go. So the co-pilot has a place to work, and you do have 110 outlet right there, and then 12-volt hookups right here. Stereo is going to be Bluetooth, smart device ready. And you do have backup camera and side view cameras on this coach, so when you turn on your turn signal, it will actually display here on your monitor. And USB charging area right there, generator start buttons right there, and dash fans and cab lights right there. This is sitting on the Ford Triton V10 6.8 liter gas engine, 457 foot-pounds of torque, 362 horsepower. Show out the mileage here. See if I can show it in there. I'm on this gimbal trying to get used to it. Currently has 24,895 miles. And it's going to be, see your power sun visor shades right here, night shades, emergency start button, ties your house battery and chassis battery together, your fog lights. It's going to be your auto leveling system here. And heated remote mirror switch right here. Cruise control. Okay. All right, let's go outside. It's going to be a little loud. I do also want to point out before I go outside, this is going to be your full control panel, your monitor control panel area here. LP, battery, your fresh tank in black and gray, and 6-gallon gas, electric, direct spark ignition, water heater switches right here. Whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, 15 minutes later you've got hot water. These are going to be your slide out buttons. Oh, and I do want to point out the hours on the Jenny is 1,933 hours. And this coach is equipped with the, I believe I pointed it out, the 800 watt inverter system. Xantrax, there we go, right here. And anyway, light switches. This coach has a lot of stuff. There's going to be your power awning switch right here, and your disconnect to save you on your battery when you store in the coach. Okay, it's going to be loud. I'm sorry again, but we're right next to a road, major road. But this is going to be full body paint, sitting on the 22.5 aluminum polished Alcoa wheels, 16-foot power awning. You do have the chrome heated side mirrors with integrated camera. And it's starting to show a little bit of pitting on the arm, but anyway. Outside TV, believe it's going to be maybe a 32-inch flat screen. Outside entertainment package with the exterior speakers. LP tank right here. Side opening baggage doors, by the way, really cool, insulated. Nice pass-through storage, unheard of really usually on a gas coach. Huge storage, by the way, on this coach. And again, pass-through storage. I'm not going to open up the baggage doors on the back side because I'm trying to keep my videos down, but you get the idea. And more storage. Huge storage compartments on this coach. This coach is equipped with dual furnaces, 35,000 BTU furnace in the front, 20,000 in the rear. This coach is pretty much fully loaded. I do want to point out there's a little scratch up here. Right there, a little scratch. Looks like they might have gotten into some tree limbs or something, just for the scuff on the paint. This coach could use a good detailing. The awning's a little dirty, but anyway. Nice ladder that breaks down and stow it away in your storage compartment area. Oh, you do have a rear patio awning. Sorry, I didn't put that out. This coach has a lot of stuff. full body paint's good looking, and the frameless tinted windows, beautiful, clean look. Slide out awning package. Looks like a little scuff mark right here in the back here. Looks like they got into something. It's just cosmetic, a little scratch right here. $80-gallon fuel cell, by the way. There's your fuel fill right there. Little scratch right here on this door. The tires are original, manufactured right around the 37th week, 2014. I forgot to turn off the generator, but it does have an Onan 5500 generator, which I'll show you. Back up here, show what it looks like, show off what it looks like on the driver's side. Front looks to be pretty good condition. I did notice a little bit of spider webbing on the fiberglass right here. I don't know, maybe it was bumped up against something. That's usually what causes that spider webbing. It's just cosmetic, but I find it important to point out everything. Oh, one-piece windshield, by the way. Does have a few little booger marks on it, but overall it's been serviced. I know the service technician who went through it. Everything's in operating order. So anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.